Wow, Christmas time in Seoul. Let's do something special. First of all, check out the shops underground. Here, things are quite good and the prices are cheap. Christmas atmosphere is coming to town. The streets are bustling with shoppers and pedestrians. Now check out the street food. My friend decides to buy something. I'm in Myeongdong, surrounded by many shops with street food. Oh, this is the cake bought by my friend. It smells very good. It's like having an egg in it. Yeah, it's delicious. 2001. Now, we jump in a show called Namda Cooking, which highlights culinary art. After the show, we check out a must-eat food in Seoul. Can you guess what? Grilled pork and kimchi soup in a very hot pot. Smells really good. And it looks very mouth-watering. Do you love Seoul?